Hi everyone, nice to meet you all. Welcome to my channel Labs 92. I am really curious about types of insects in the nature. I just caught an ant in my house. Then I put it under my microscope. With 1,000 times zooming, you easily realize this is its head, and this is its body, and its antennae, its legs, its eyes, its mandible, its mesosoma, thorax, metasoma, abdomen. We can see the ant has three parts: the head, metasoma, gaster. It looks so beautiful and big under my microscope. We can see its forelegs, its middle legs, and its hind legs. I will tell you about 10 favorite facts about ants that are warranted to blow your mind. 1. There are over 12,000 ant species worldwide. 2. The bullet ant is said to have the most painful sting in the world. 3. 5 ants cause over $3 billion worth of damage a year. 4. Ants are the longest living insects. 5. The ant is one of the most strongest creatures in relation to its size. 6. Ants hold the record for the fastest movement in the animal kingdom. 7. Ants can be found on every single continent except Antarctica. 8. Ants are social insects which live in colonies. 9. Ants don't have ears, and some of them don't have eyes. 10. The largest ant nest ever found was over 3,500 miles wide. Thank you for watching my video. See you again.